In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of what a focused little blog is set up as. Now, this is a test site that I have called the Paleo News. Earlier, we've talked about using things that you're passionate about. Paleo is not something that I'm passionate about. It is something that is just using as a test because of some other work that I was doing. So what we have here on the root site itself, the paleonews.com, we have essentially a quick little sales letter. Tells a little story, clicks this link, and it takes us over to a ClickBank product. Okay. Now, what I'm going to show you where the action takes place is over on the blog. Now, here's just some quick things that I've put in here from a few weeks back. Actually started back in December, but took some information. Here's a blog called OMG, that's Paleo. There's a website with that name, and it has a bunch of content that is related to a book that she's coming out with. And in this case, what you'll see is when we actually look at the content, we have the title. I'm going to show you this in a second. And this is really just a quick little blurb, no more than just really recapping what it's about. And then we have the author information here, and I've made up just a pseudonym for this so that my name isn't particularly associated to it. And what we then have is this little advertisement right here in the middle that we're going to talk about in the plugin section. But what this allows me to do is put a link that is interchangeable. And so again, if you look down in the bottom left here, it actually shows the Paleo News / paleo-recipes, which again is the redirect over to this post. And I don't want the video to start. So this is essentially all it looks like. It's very focused. If we click on the headline here, it's going to take us back to the home page. And if we click down here for the blog, it's going to take us to the blog section, which is essentially just a list of everything. What we can do is take a look at another one, and again you see this pops up here, and then here's a little video, and this one actually got a bunch of views, this page. And you'll see we have the information here and then a source of where we got this. And if we click this, it's going to take us back to this guy's site. So we're basically promoting his information, and again, I don't want that to start. So that's a quick overview of what everything looks like. Is this the only way to do it? Absolutely not. This is just one way that keeps it very focused when you have a specific product that you want to promote. You can tell that it's not all junky with AdWords and everything else kind of just everywhere all over the site. There's one path, and that is to go from the top to the bottom and then to do whatever we want at that point. So we'll see you on the next video where we show you how the plugins work.